Ocean Bomb beverages are produced by a Taiwanese brand named YHB Ocean Bomb. These refreshing drinks feature beautiful artwork of your favorite animated characters. Character sets on the cans come from Pokemon, Dragon Ball Z, and Sumiko Gurashi. Each flavor displays a different character, so be sure to try them all and collect every can. This apple-flavored sparkling water features Vegito from Dragon Ball Z. He is the result of fusion between Goku and Vegeta and is one of the most powerful heroes in the original manga. On this can, Vegito's blue hair and gold Potara earrings are shown. Not only is the design of the artwork eye-catching, but the beverage inside is tasty and high quality. YHB Ocean Bomb harvests some of the purest drinking water in the world while conserving land by extracting deep ocean water from Taiwan's eastern port Hualien. This water is found at a depth of 200 meters and is so deep that the rays of the sun cannot penetrate to such a depth, and therefore there is no way for photosynthesis to generate oxygen to allow bacteria to grow. After desalination vessels eliminate the salt from this deep ocean water, the product is extremely pure and rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. This pure water is then mixed with various flavorings and other ingredients to produce sodas and sparkling waters. These drinks are Haccp Certified and ICO 22000 certified as well, meaning they comply with all food safety requirements and production standards. Each standard 330 milliliter can like this contains 132 calories, no fat, no cholesterol, 23 milligrams of sodium, 33 grams of carbohydrates, 31 grams of sugar, and no protein. These cans should be stored in a cool, dry place until ready to enjoy. The expiration date is listed on the bottom of the can. These last for 2 years from the date of manufacturing. Now, I will open this can and pour it in a glass for you to see how it looks. Here you can see the fizzy sparkling water. It has a sweetly aromatic apple scent. This sparkling water tastes great and is best served chilled. I highly recommend it and hope you'll try it out, along with the other flavors from YHB Ocean Bomb. Be sure to collect each can for a full set of your favorite characters.
Enjoy. Bye bye.